Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amalia Putri Addienisahna, and I am from Department Architecture International Program 2020. And here I will present my work about the midterm examination portfolio from the assignment 1 until assignment 2. And this is my curriculum today. And we start from the assignment 1. My design called Rain as a contemporary art, thick wooden style interlock panel. And this is the design concept inspiration that I installed by the airdrops, and it has rectangular shape and there's a silver tape on the water droplets. And this is the design transformation that I made. So for this shape, I changed it to this design. And for the droplets, I changed it to the circle area from my design. And this is the composition. It has repetition, movement, contrast, and also shape, line, and texture. And this is the technical drawing about the elevation. This is detail interlocking. And also this is the mock-up result. For my mock-up, it has take of 200 centimeter and a width of 160 centimeter, and the thickness of the thick wood is 0.5 centimeter using wood interlocking technique. And this is the design process from the interlocking one by one until make the circle area with the shell and make the final design. And this is the material, the thick wood, running stroke, and aging. And the technique is interlocking system. And for the set location, I choose the green part with the lake. Why? Because it has the correlation between my design and my place that I choose, because the green garden is asked for the adaptation between the rainwater, which can have a positive impact on the surrounding plants. And also for the lake, it's outcome of the implementation of the rainwater, where the lake is the rainwater is replaced. And this is the montage that I made with the human perspective, human scale. And from this design, we can enjoy the beauty of the nature with the beautiful master space. And also we can sit back behind the installation while taking selfie, something like that. And this is the prep that I made from the the composition, the detail, the inspiration idea, and then also the side correlation. And for the assignment 2, I made the bubble fence as the building component, as the cross ventilation, and I just the Giri-Giri taxi as my set location. And for the sunset problem, the sun rays from the east to the west, so I make the building facing to the north. And for the wind problem and solution, the wind is coming from the north, so that the wind cannot directly enter the building, but scatter. So I make the cross ventilation so that it can prevent the wind from entering directly into the roof. And this is the wind tunnel simulation. So the wind is cannot directly enter to the room because it has a cross ventilation in here. And this is the design transformation I installed by the water foam, which is round shape. And for the shelter, I made in the middle city part and focusing to the reducing temperature with the circular ventilation opening with the bamboo for the main material. And this is the technical drawing about the elevation, the detail, and this is the reaction to the sunset and the wind that it cannot directly enter to the shelter. And this is the mock-upping process from the cut bamboo with the different sizes with the thickness about 2 until 5 centimeters each other. And I try to tie string it rope one by one until I make the final design like this. And I cover parts to wall with the cardboard to create dark impressions in the shelter. And this mock-up with the scale 1 to 10 with the original size shelter or 4 times 2 meters. And this is the simulation with the looks nature, and I think it's worth it. And this is the final mock-up, the montage, and the digital drawing, and also the artwork. So for the segment 3, I need with the structure mock-up installed in the spider, leg, which is a unit structure repeating itself and also surrounds the structure of the spider body shape itself and movable structure. And this is the set location that I choose is the Karang Pramuka, Kaliurang, Yogyakarta. And this is the design idea. I inspired by the spider, which has a unique spider ledge, and also the repetition composition. And for this design, it's for the learning part, and this is the learning design transformation for my learning part. It's from the treasure, and also I made it in the basic forms, and I found this design like this. And this is the human scale perspective I made with the color. And for the structure, as we know, it's in here is the compression first. And for the structure, I create a servo like this for the equal to the interlocking joinery. As we know, it's a servo, it's a vertical element to rigid the structure. And the unique of my structure is it can be bent and it can be straight. And why I made this structure because I made the design like this when it rains. The structure will be straight, and when it does not, it will bend again. So the people below cannot get the cause of the rain water. And it's a movable structure that the structure can be straight and can be bent. And for the technical drawing, this is the human perspective, the perspective when it's straight structure, and also the plan, the location and the top view, the section that I mix with the multiplex and the big wood, and also the detail drawing with the interlocking and the wind, the pin drawing with the wire. And also this is the mock-up process. I make it in the circle area until the final design like this. And this is the final mock-up. And for the demonstration load, I try it and I think it's so rigid because it cannot fall down, and I think it's worth it. And this is the mock-up montage. I use the plain blue background, and this is the abstract. I explain from the excitement one until the excitement two about the design, until the material, the simulation system, and the design material. So I think that's all from me about the presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.